Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. For this project, we will use 5 wooden planks, a few branches like this. This is debris from Hurricane Helene, acrylic deers that I forgot to record but you will see later, and other optional materials. First, I will cut these planks at 10 inches with 45 degrees angles. Here are all the pieces nicely cut. I will make 2 houses, one bigger than the other. I will use these corner mates to help me hold them together. These corner mates were tricky to use initially, but I figured it out later. Next, I will glue all these wooden pieces using Gorilla Glue for a firm hold, and let them dry for a few hours. Please note that if you want to recreate these Christmas pieces and are not able to cut angles, you can make straight cuts. Now, these 2 pieces will form the top of the house. I will be following the same exact process for both houses. I would like to take a moment and thank all my subscribers for their kind comments and support. If you are new, welcome. Please consider subscribing, as there are some unique and exciting DIYs coming soon. Here are both houses nicely dried and put together. Next, I will trim these branches to size and fit them in each house. To attach the branches, I will use crazy glue for wood. I am placing the branches towards the back as I will add other elements on the front. As I mentioned before, these branches are part of the debris that Hurricane Helene left behind. Even though I was not as affected as other people, now I will have something to remember this event. I will use this small sander to remove the glue residue for a clean and natural finish. It should allow me to get into small spaces. Next, I will paint all the branches white, as I want them to look like birch trees or trees with a lot of snow. Now, using this handheld drill, I will make holes and attach pine trees using E6000 glue, as you will see in a moment. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Feel free to comment below. Next, I will attach some faux Christmas lights to bring color to these pieces. I will attach a small eye hook and use staples to hold the lights. Lastly, I will attach the acrylic deers using E6000 glue and we should be done. Here is the final reveal. Let me know in the comments below what you think of these Christmas pieces. Please note that these pieces can be displayed on the wall or flat surfaces. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to follow me on social media. See you in the next one.